Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there lived a well-respected merchant named Ahmad. He was known far and wide for his honesty and generosity, qualities that brought him great success and wealth. Every morning, the old city would awaken to the sights and sounds of Ahmad preparing for each working day. He would carefully measure grain in generous portions, ensuring that every customer would receive more than they expected. His shop was always filled with people, for they knew he could be trusted and that his dealings were blessed with the prosperity that comes from truthfulness. One day, as Ahmad was preparing to open his shop, he heard a knock on his door. It was a young traveler, clad in dusty clothes, his face glowing with dignity, yet marred by exhaustion. The traveler introduced himself as Ibrahim, a seeker of employment who had traveled many miles in search of opportunity. Moved by the traveler's determination, Ahmad offered him a meal and rest. As they conversed, Ibrahim expressed his need to return to his distant village to support his sick mother and younger siblings. Without hesitation, Ahmad offered him a substantial amount of money. Ahmad said, "Consider this a gift for the sake of Allah. Take it, and may it ease your journey back home to your loved ones." The traveler was overwhelmed with gratitude and prayed for Ahmad's prosperity before departing. Ahmad felt joy in his heart, knowing he had helped someone fulfill a noble duty. As the weeks passed, Ahmad's shop continued to flourish, and tales of his generosity spread beyond the city. His wealth did not diminish, but rather it multiplied, as Allah blessed him abundantly for his good deeds. One quiet evening, Ahmad received a letter from Ibrahim, thanking him once more. It contained news that his mother had regained her health, and Ibrahim had opened a small shop back in his village. Inspired by Ahmad's kindness, Ibrahim's success story was a testament to the power of generosity. Ahmad's story teaches us that generosity, done purely for the sake of Allah, brings blessings and abundance beyond measure.